Welcome back to my channel, the Baking Diva. It's been a while with the holiday, but I'm back. And what day is today? It's Sunday. And what is Sunday? It's Shout Out Sunday. And before I go on, I want to say thank you to my subscribers who sent me these beautiful earrings and a few other pair. You know who you are. And I love them, and I can't thank you enough. Or every other Sunday, the Diva shouts out a channel that she would like all of us to recognize. Because, you know, some of these small channels, they get lost in YouTube land if somebody doesn't put a spotlight on them. So that's what I'm going to do for you today. So, what is the channel the Diva is gonna shout out today? Well, it is the Sweet Spot. That's right, the channel is the Sweet Spot. And the content creator's name is Mason. Now, Mason has a wonderful channel, but he's very new. He doesn't have, all that many subscribers. But let me tell you just a little bit about him. Mason is from a large family in the South, and he has a lot of family recipes that verbally were passed down from generation to generation. And Mason thought it would be a great idea to get all of these recipes on video. And I think it's a great idea too. And Mason loves to bake. Mason loves to try out new recipes and also experiment with a few of them. Maybe change them up a little bit. Mason decided to join YouTube because he thought it was really a great sense of community. And I agree with him, it is. Mason puts 2 new videos on YouTube every week. And I was drawn to his channel because it reminds me a little bit of mine as far as the recipes he puts on there. They're all tried and true recipes that you don't need to go to the Culinary Institute to learn how to make. They're just easy to prepare and they taste and look great. Go and check out his playlist. Some of the categories that he has on his playlist are no bake. He has summer favorites. He has pies. And he does, I think, pie of the month. I think that's what he does. Pie of the month. Halloween treats. Winter. I think it's winter wonder months. And a lot more. Of the videos you'll find on there are, he does one on how to make glass candy. I thought that was really interesting. He did that around Christmas time. Like me, he always puts the ingredients and the recipe in his description box below. And I always appreciate that because when I go to somebody's channel, I'll automatically go down below if I want to try the recipe. And I'm always kind of disappointed when it's not down there. So anyway, like me, his are down there also. So you'll always find that on his channel. Some of the videos he's made are, he did a chocolate chip cheesecake parfait, but it was with edible chocolate chip cookie dough. Not bad, huh? I think I did that a couple of years ago on my channel. I did a recipe, not the same as his, but it was a recipe with edible chocolate chip cookie dough. He does a peanut butter and jelly ice cream that doesn't need a machine. You don't need a machine to make it. He has apple dumplings on there, a brown buttermilk pie. I'm just trying to check because he had so many. Oh, an orange cranberry no-bake pie. That sounds interesting. Peppermint mocha brownies. And he says the best strawberry shortcake. Now, he does have a recipe on there for what he calls the best chocolate chip cookies. Well, we might have to have a bake-off because one of the first recipes I put on my channel when I started was called, they were the best chocolate chip cookies. And they were with a secret ingredient and they stayed soft. So I don't know. We're both calling our cookies the best chocolate chip cookies, but that's okay. Usually ends his channel by saying, from my home to yours. And you always ask, Diva, why are you doing this? Why are you doing these Sunday shout-outs? And like I mentioned earlier, I'm doing them to put the spotlight on a lot of the small channels to give them a chance to grow. Because you do get lost in YouTube land, trust me. So if somebody doesn't kind of point you out and talk about your channel, maybe nobody's going to find you. And we all want to grow our channels. So I would love for you to go over to Mason's channel. Once again, it's called The Sweet Spot. I'm going to put the link to his channel down below the video in my subscription box. Show Mason a little love. Smash that red subscribe button for him. Tell him the Baking Diva sent you, and I know he will appreciate it very much, and you will be doing a good deed in the new year by helping his channel to grow. And while you're at it, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, feel free to smash my red subscribe button and the little bell next to it, because I would certainly appreciate it too. So, as I always say, we can all use a little help from our friends, right? So, I want to thank you all for tuning in to my Shout Out Sunday video. I'll be doing this every other Sunday. Don't forget to come back because you never know when it could be you that I shout out. That's right. So everyone, enjoy your weekend. Go over to Mason's channel, The Sweet Spot, and I will see you all very soon. Toodles!